Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zach.
Hello, Zach. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. I was just thinking about Topic Taking with Neighbor, episode 70 today.
Oh, nice, Zoe. That is a lovely topic. Neighbors are the people who live near us, and talking with neighbors is part of our daily life.
Yes, Zach. Sometimes neighbors are friends. Sometimes they are quiet strangers. And sometimes they are people who help us when we need help. Today, we will talk slowly and simply so everyone can follow.
Before we get into the main talk, a small favor for our listeners.
Yes, friends, please subscribe to English Podcast Channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English and share this episode with your friends. Thank you so much.
Great. Okay, Zoe, let us start. I will ask you first. How do you usually say hello to your neighbor?
I like to smile and say, "Hi, how are you?" or "Good morning." A smile is important. A smile can start a friendly talk. Small words, small smiles, big effect.
Good. I often say, "Hello, I'm Zach. I live next door." It is a simple way to introduce yourself. Sometimes we feel shy, but a small hello is brave.
Yes, being friendly can be a little scary at first, but it is worth it. Neighbors can help in many ways. They can collect a package, water your plants, or just say hello when you come home.
Let us tell a small story. When I first moved into my building, I did not know anyone. I felt lonely. One morning, an older woman knocked on my door. She said, "Welcome, I'm Marie. If you need anything, call me." That small kindness changed everything.
That is so sweet. Small acts of kindness matter. I have a story too. My neighbor once baked cookies and brought them to my door. She said, "We are happy to have you here." I cried a little because I felt so welcome.
Those moments make a place feel like home. Okay, now let us practice some useful phrases for talking with neighbors. I will say slowly and Zoe will repeat. Listeners, repeat after us.
Ready.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Can I borrow some sugar?
Can I borrow some sugar?
Would you like some tea?
Would you like some tea?
Sorry for the noise.
Sorry for the noise.
Do you need any help?
Do you need any help?
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Good. These simple sentences can help you in many small situations.
Yes. Now let us role play a short scene at the door. Zach will be the neighbor who knocks, and I will be the neighbor who opens the door.
Zach. Knock, knock. Hi, Zoe. Sorry to bother you. My car will not start. Do you have a phone I can borrow to call a taxi?
Zoe. Oh no, Zach. Come in, please. Here is my phone. Do you want some water? You look worried.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'll be quick.
Take your time. I hope everything is okay.
Short and polite. That is the tone we need when asking for help.
Sometimes neighbors ask to borrow things. It is good to set friendly rules in your head. If you lend something, be clear about when you want it back. Small boundaries, simple words.
Yes, you can say, "Of course you can borrow it. Please return it by Tuesday." Clear and polite.
Now let us talk about listening and body language. When you talk with a neighbor, look at the person, nod a little. That shows you care.
And keep your voice calm. Slow speech helps beginners. Do not speak too fast and use short sentences when you are not sure.
Good advice. Now we will share some real neighbor stories, the funny, the helpful, and the hard stories. I'll start with a funny one. One morning, I watered my plants, but I forgot to close the window. A bird flew into my kitchen and sat on my table. I screamed a little. My neighbor heard me, came in with a towel, and helped the bird out. We both laughed and then had tea together. It was unexpected and sweet.
That is so cute. Animals bring people together. I have a helpful neighbor story. Last winter, I caught a bad cold and could not go outside. My neighbor left soup at my door with a note that said, "Get well soon." That soup tasted like medicine and love.
I love that image. Now, a hard story. One time, a neighbor played loud music very late. Many people were upset. We decided to talk politely as a group. We asked them to lower the volume and explained that many people sleep early. After a calm talk, the neighbor said sorry and turned it down. Conflict can be solved with calm words.
Exactly. When we feel upset, use I sentences. Say, I am having trouble sleeping when the music is loud. It tells your feeling without blaming. It helps the other person listen.
Now, a few cultural notes. In some places, neighbors are very close and share many things. In other places, people keep more distance. Both ways are okay. When you move to a new place, watch and learn. Follow the local ways and be respectful.
Yes, and always be polite. Small manners go a long way. Say please and thank you and say sorry when needed. These words are simple but powerful.
Let us give listeners a short practice for a greeting in the morning and a goodbye in the evening. I will say the morning lines, and Zac will say the evening lines. Listeners, repeat after us. Good morning. Have a nice day.
Good night. Sleep well.
See you later.
Take care. See you tomorrow.
Good practice. Now we will talk about safety and boundaries. Being friendly doesn't mean saying yes to everything. If someone asks something that makes you uncomfortable, it's okay to say no politely.
For example, if a stranger asks to come inside your home and you feel unsure, you can say, I'm sorry, I cannot help with that. Then close the door kindly. Trust your feelings, and if you feel unsafe, call someone you trust.
And for children, teach them simple rules. Do not open the door to strangers. Always tell a parent or a trusted adult if someone strange comes.
Another important topic is helping each other. Neighbors can form small groups to help each other during emergencies like heavy rain or power cuts. A small phone group can make a big difference.
We had one time when the power went out in our street. Neighbors came out with candles and flashlights. Some people shared food and warm drinks. That time we felt connected. It wasn't only about light, it was about heart.
Now, let us practice some phrases you can use when you meet your neighbor at the mailbox or at the stairs. Repeat after us slowly. Hi, do you live in apartment 3B?
Hi, do you live in apartment 3B?
Can I help you carry that?
Can I help you carry that?
Would you like to join us for coffee?
Would you like to join us for coffee?
I think we will have a small block party next month. Are you interested?
I think we will have a small block party next month. Are you interested?
Excellent. These lines are perfect for everyday neighbor talk.
Now we will share tips to make a good relationship with neighbors. Tip 1. Say hello regularly. Even a small wave helps. Tip 2. Keep your space tidy. Messy common areas make people upset. Tip 3. Be respectful of noise. Think about late nights. Tip 4. Share small treats sometimes. A cookie or a cup of tea brings smiles. Tip 5. Be kind when problems happen. Kindness is contagious.
Love those tips. And one more, show appreciation. If someone helps you, say thank you with a note or a small gift. It creates warmth.
Okay, now let us do a short listening practice. I will tell a short story and Zac will ask questions. Listeners, listen carefully and answer in your head. I baked extra muffins today and left them at my neighbor's door. I wrote a note, for you, enjoy. Later, my neighbor knocked and said thank you and brought a small plant. We smiled and talked for 10 minutes. That short talk was lovely.
Question 1. What did Zoe leave at her neighbor's door? Pause. Answer. Muffins.
Question 2. What did the neighbor bring back? Pause. Answer. A small plant.
Nice practice. These little details help with listening.
Now, some polite ways to refuse an invitation. If your neighbor invites you to a party but you are busy, say, thank you for the invite, but I'm busy that day. Maybe next time. Simple and kind.
Or if you need quiet, say, I'm sorry, I need some quiet this week. I have an important test. Giving a reason helps people understand.
We should also mention pets. Pets can make neighbors happy and sometimes cause problems. Always pick up after your pet. Keep them on a leash when required. A calm pet is a neighbor-friendly pet.
Now our last short practice. We will give a few final lines for confidence. Say them with us.
Hi, my name is blank. Nice to meet you.
Could you please help me with this?
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Sorry, I didn't hear you. Could you repeat, please?
Good. Now, a final reflection. Neighbors are simple people who live near us. They are not perfect, they can be noisy, kind, funny, or quiet, but small efforts to be friendly make life better.
Yes, a small hello, a little help, or a simple cookie can build trust. And when we need help, our neighbors can be there. Building a good neighbor relationship takes time. Be patient, be kind, respect boundaries.
Thank you for listening to episode 70 about talking with neighbor. We hope you learned useful phrases and felt encouraged to talk with your neighbors in simple and friendly English.
Remember to subscribe to English Podcast channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English. And share this episode with your friends. Thank you so much.
Try one small step tomorrow. Say hello to one neighbor. Offer a smile. That small step may open a new friendship.
Thank you, everyone. See you in the next episode. Goodbye and take care.
Goodbye and good luck with your English practice and neighbor talks.